Hey guys, we are doing a special episode. We get asked this question all the time, so we wanted to answer it for you guys. So a lot of people ask us, what do you do when you're sick? Should you fast while you're sick? Is it a bad idea? So like, for instance, people, especially now, are experiencing some type of like cold or sinus infection. The doctor's given them like a steroid shot or a Z-Pack, and they're starting to fast, but they feel terrible and they're not sure what to do. So what do you like to tell people, Chantel?
Well, you've heard the saying, feed a cold, starve a fever. Have you ever heard that?
Yes, I have.
And so that basically refers to you should eat when you have a cold and you should fast when you have a fever. And so for me, if I'm sick at all, I feel like I actually am the opposite. I actually will kind of do more like juicing when I have a cold. So like when I have a cold, I try to fill up on like vitamin C. And so I have lots of fruits and vegetables. So I might fast, but in the sense of either juicing, or I might just have fruits and vegetables. But if I have a fever or I think I have a virus, then I'm going to want to try to fast completely and just do like a water fast, because fasting forces your body to rely on its own energy stores to sustain normal function. And so if your body's first choice is glucose, right, which is sugar, if you had a cookie or if you had any kind of food, that glycogen in your liver is what it's going to go to. So what I suggest is I like to fast completely if I'm feeling like I have a virus or if I have a fever or my body's aching. I'm going to go to straight water fasting.
Hey guys, I want you to know what I've been doing for my health that is absolutely transforming it. I'm taking massive amounts of vitamin C. Now, it's not just the regular vitamin C. This is 100% natural, and it only contains natural sources, whole foods like amla berry, camu berry, cherry. So it's literally just ground up fruits and massive amounts, and it delivers 750% of your daily recommended vitamin C. So I literally double it, and I have just seen so many benefits. So go to chantelrayway.com/vitamin C to get yours today.
What about you?
Yeah, I agree. When I have a cold, liquids make, like if you're mucousy, liquids help thin that out so it can get out. Like, I know you don't want your nose to run, but you really kind of want it to get out of your system. So the more liquids that you can drink when you're having that congestion, the better. So I love to drink a lot of water, especially and it's funny because your body craves what it needs. So like my body will crave orange juice during that time. And I love, you have a really great mixture of water where you put a little bit of orange juice in it. So you're getting some of that natural vitamin C, but you're getting a lot of water to help. That makes me feel better. And I love homeopathic things like zinc and like vitamin C that you can take to help your body. I mean, you'll feel better like within 24 hours when I do that. So that's what I like to do.
Yep.
All right. Well, awesome. Thank you.